Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have a Microsoft Xbox account and the Xbox mobile or PC app ready. Sign in now because you will send the friend request from that app. Once signed in, find your own gamer tag to confirm how it appears, and then use the app search field to type your friend's exact gamer tag. Make sure to match capitalization, spaces, and numbers, otherwise the app will return no results. When you see the correct profile, prepare to add them. Once you have the correct profile, tap Add Friend and choose whether to follow or send a request. You should add a short message so they recognize you. This helps with acceptance. If you're on Ps5 playing a crossplay-enabled game, use the game's invite or link the Xbox gamer tag inside the game to join parties or matches. Also, make sure your and their Xbox privacy settings allow friend requests and cross-network invites, because privacy blocks are the most common reason a request won't go through. After sending the request, tell the person to accept it in the Xbox app or on their console. Once accepted, they appear in your friends list and you can invite them to parties or games. If you're playing on Ps5, use the game's crossplay invite to get into the same session. Some games require in-game linking first. If nothing happens, check privacy settings, confirm the exact gamer tag, and verify region or age restrictions. Then resend the request. If problems persist, restart the app and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.